We're here, Captain. The distress beacon came from this exact coordinate. This planet. It isn't on any star maps. We know this area isn't even en route.
Any visuals on the contact light?
No, sir. Just debris.
Any signs of survivors?
No, sir. Bioscanner is dark. Sir. The distress beacon. It mentioned a lot. Monsters, fighting, and godlike beings, sir. Do you think we're ready, sir?
Send them.
To find the remains of the contact light.
The denizens of this planet are violent and unforgivably aggressive, stewing in hate and anger towards any that are from humankind.
Planet of creatures and gods trying to stop the invasion. On their planet, hidden in the deep spaces of heaven's uncharted spaces. Brothers of creation, disputes creating a prison cell and a grave for gods. Invaders, corrupting the grounds me and my brother created worthless scum think they can win. Where are you, my brother? Why do you keep me here on this moon?
We find the only way to leave is to go to the moon. We fight tooth and nail to make it to each teleporters, to go to new areas till we get to the moon, to stop this madness.
We gather equipment to gain more strength to fight the ever-growing tide of monsters. Planet of creatures and gods trying to stop the invasion. On the planet hidden in the deep spaces of heaven's uncharted spaces. Brothers of creation, disputes creating a prison cell and a grave for gods. They grow closer, my brother. Why haven't you stopped them? Brother, where have you gone?
We've made it to the moon. But what's this feeling? Like a god is watching us this very moment we make our way to the top of a platform.
Welcome to your doom, worthless mortal scum. We fight this being of immense godlike power. Save the man! We will not fall, not even to a god. Breakneck man! We will win, we will beat termination. Your body will shatter and we have won. Brother, get to the ship, the moon is exploding. Brother, why did you fall in battle like I? We were gods, how could mortals dare beat us? This is